Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming through another cool product from Gourmia. You can go to gourmia.com to see these. We've reviewed a ton of their products over the years and always been impressed with them. In fact, I use their coffee makers, their cookers, and everything else, and I use this. This is the Gourmia one-touch operation collapsible travel kettle. It's a 20-ounce capacity unit that you can use to travel and boil your water for soups or whatever you might be making, or for coffee. Now, I travel a lot, do events, CES, NAB show, CEDIA. I go to all these events around the country. Whenever I see the coffee maker, I always wonder what the hell's been done to that thing. You never know if it's been fully cleaned. If you ever watch videos on YouTube, they sometimes just take a nasty rag that's wiped off everything and they wipe off the inside of the glasses or coffee makers with it. You don't know what somebody's done to that thing or if it's really, truly clean. I try and clean it as best I can when I go. And sometimes I'm on the road, and I like bringing my own nice coffee with me when I travel. I usually buy more expensive coffee. It's high quality, and I want to be able to use my coffee when I travel. So this thing is great because a lot of times when I do day travel or I go to an event for a couple days, I don't bring a lot of gear. So this has to be able to fit in my gearbox. So what's nice about this is it's got a built-in handle in it. You can get hot water in minutes. Literally, you fill it with water, and within minutes, it's boiling water. And it makes sure that it doesn't overheat. It's got dry boil protection, so it can ensure safe usage. The top folds out, and basically you have like a little handle so you can pour it. It literally pops up, boils inside, you can pour it, and away you go. I was super impressed with this, and now I use it everywhere I travel. It's just basically a kettle. As soon as you're done, it collapses down, folds in, you can put it in your bag, and away you go. This thing is freaking awesome. It's food-grade silicone body, so it's soft and flexible, takes a gentle push to collapse it, and the handle folds flat for convenient storing. And then you just pop it open, away you go. Perfect for travel. You've got a nice clean thing that you know where it's been. You know you've cleaned it. You know there's no residue left over. And away you go. And it gets boiling fast. So within just a few minutes, you have your perfect cup of tea or your perfect coffee. You don't have to worry about if you don't put water in it on a dry boil or overheat, it will take and shut it off. And it's really freaking awesome. I love this thing. I highly, highly recommend this. 2 thumbs up. If you travel and whatever, I recommend you get one of these and put it in your bag. And all the products at gourmia.com. I mean, I use them almost daily between coffee makers and cookers. I love their products. Go to gourmia.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Check out the Gourmia one-touch operation collapsible travel kettle, or some of the other products they have on their website. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.